Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about product design sprints. So a product design sprint is a technique to quickly design, prototype and test the viability of an idea, product or feature. The design sprint consists of 5 phases, typically days, starting with design thinking and ending with the user tested prototype. Product design sprint uses design thinking to reduce the inherent risks in successfully bringing products to market. The sprint gives you the ability to fast forward into the future and see what your end product and customer reactions are going to be like before making any expensive commitments. So let's discuss the 5 benefits of running a product design sprint. Number 1 would be simple solutions to complex business challenges. The main reason to conduct the sprint is to find all pain points and convert them into valuable solutions. Along with effective communication, it empowers contributors to share ideas, risks, and doubts that can affect the final results. Speed. The sprint is meant to be short and agile. As it is easily adapted to the complexity of a project, it speeds up a new product discovery. Third would be smaller risk. The process produces a prototype or a MVP within just a couple of days. In this way, you can minimize risk by reducing time and budget on validating your ideas. That gives you extra time for improvements and changing in cases of failure. The fourth benefit would be efficient collaborations. Product design sprints foster collaborations with varied groups of people. With different skill sets, a multidisciplinary team works together and exchanges ideas, learning from each other. The fifth benefit would be services validated by customers. Companies underestimate the value of the user-centered approach. This often leads to misunderstandings and missing market needs. Now let's discuss how product design sprints helps you launch a better product. First, it helps you in identifying key stakeholders. A broad perspective on the environment can help you identify all the stakeholders that have impact on your projects and whom your projects will influence. The second would be users' understanding. The sprint is based on listening, trust, and building meaningful relationships with the users. Third would be lower risk. The sprint shrinks months of development and features testing into just a few days. The faster you prototype, the faster you can validate your ideas. A sprint design is basically a shortcut to gaining insights without having to build or launch a product, and also saves a lot of your time without taking the major risks of launching your final product to the market. So this is how your product design sprints can save time and money regardless of your industry. For more information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.